Hi there, this is the video instructional tutorial on how to use my spices inventory spreadsheet. This is a super fun spreadsheet if you like keeping track of what spices you have. Okay, so at the top you've got three boxes and you can put in your favorite grocery store. So you can put in whatever you like, whatever your favorite store is. The next grocery trip, you just double click in the box and then you just pick a date, or you can um, highlight the whole thing and put whatever date you want in there manually. Today's date, you can just go in there and choose whatever date today is. And then as far as spices, so everything is written on here, but the cool thing is this is completely editable and customizable. So if you don't want to buy chives, you just double click in there and delete it out, and there you go. You've got something else you can write. So you can write another spice. Ta-da! All right, so if you have what you need, you just click in there and it'll check everything off for you. Quantity. You can put, you've got a quarter left, you've got a half left, you've got a whole jar left, you've got 75, 0.75 of your jar left. Whatever, however you want to write your quantities is great. Then amount in stock, low or none, and then expiration date. Just pick a date, and there you go. There's room at the bottom for more if you want to add more, and that is it. So the README section, when I'm done with this video, we'll have a link to watch the video again. Isn't that fun? All right, guys, if you need anything, holler at me. And if you found me on YouTube, click on the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet. Thanks.